Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure you can unlock your phone and that your Google account is accessible. This prevents getting permanently locked out. Once done, back up or sync essential data so changing authentication won't risk files. Now open Settings, go to Security or Security and Privacy, and tap Screen Lock. You'll be prompted to verify your current PIN, pattern, or password. This step proves your identity and unlocks the options to change how you secure the device. Now pick the lock method that fits your needs. Pattern for speed, PIN for convenience, or a strong password for maximum security. The system explains strength requirements. After choosing, follow prompts to enter the new PIN, password, or pattern and confirm it. This double entry avoids typos. Once confirmed, you can enable biometric options like fingerprint or face unlock if available. Make sure to enroll them now so they pair with the new primary credential and provide quick finish by locking the phone and unlocking it to verify the new credential works smoothly. This confirms you typed it correctly. Make sure your password manager and any encrypted apps are updated so background services keep running. If something goes wrong and you cannot unlock, try signing into your Google account via Find My Device to remotely unlock or reset. If that fails, a factory reset will restore access but erase data, so only use it as a last resort and ensure backups exist.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.